Hey, Edward from Funneltopia here, and in this video I want to quickly show you how to make sure that some content on your page shows up after a certain delay. Let's say in a minute, in 10 minutes, in 20 minutes, right? So real life applications for that would be, let's say there's a webinar, right? The webinar video on your page, and you want the offer, the button at the bottom, it's like check out this limited time offer. You want it to show up in, let's say, 20 minutes, right? That's the purpose of the webinar. You want people to watch it first, and then you want to present the, let's say, $5,000 offer, right? Instead of showing it right away, and people are just gonna be like, oh, no, you don't even give them a chance to kind of watch the video. So you can do it like a delay. And the other one is, let's say, for lead generation purposes, there's a video, and 1 minute in, a pop-up form comes up, and it's like, if you want to continue watching this video, give us your name and email, whatever contact information, right? So that's the other one. So we can look at both in this video. So yeah, you want to obviously have a page. So under sites, either funnels or websites, right? We have some sort of a page over here. Let's go and edit it. So over here, obviously we need to have a video element. We need to have a button. Obviously you can have more, like you can have text and whatever, but have a button, and we need a timer. So those things you can do over here. Add elements. It's going to be video, right? That's the video. Button, that's going to be the button. And timer, no, not minute timer, countdown, was it? Yeah, countdown. So do countdown, right? That's the countdown element. So over here, the video needs to be uploaded. Let's go back. We click on the video. Let's hide this thing. It needs to be a hosted video. Instead of all these ones, hosted video. So it's on Funneltopia. This is just like an example video that I just, uploaded, whatever was the first one. And if we scroll down, this one would be the option number 2 that I mentioned. I kind of am mixing them both up, but generate leads from video. So we click on it here. Let's say in, I don't know, 2 seconds, we want them to fill out this form, right? Sign up for the community, for example, right? So as they watch the video, a form will pop up in 2 seconds. Within 2 seconds of watching this video, obviously the real life example can be, let's say, in 2 minutes, right? And then if you want to watch it, and give us your contact information, and obviously leave this unchecked if that's the purpose, right? So just for lead generation purposes. So let's click on publish, and let's go check it out. Let's go over here. Let's preview. So as we check out the video, I think it's auto playing. Yeah, so that's all good. Over here, you see, pops up. That's the form. Fill out the form. And here we go. And the video continues playing, right? Simple as that. So that's the lead generation version. So as for the other one, for the button, right? It's still here. Let's say this is a webinar. We want it to show up in 20 minutes. That's when within the video, that's when the offer comes up for the first time. So for this one, what we want to do, let's turn this one off. Actually for the timer, I forgot. This is not the countdown timer. This will actually be a different one. It's going to be the minute timer. There's a little bit of a difference. So let's add it in here. Let's click on it. And over here on the right side, it's going to be redirect to URL. Let's switch that. Show and hide element. So we're going to hide an element, which is the minute timer. And we're going to show an element, which is the button, right? As you hover over not things, but this list, it shows which element it's going to be. So let's click on the button. Let's click on that, right? So we have selected both, and then we scroll up. Let's do the same 2 seconds. All right, let's do that. So what I did just now is, just to quickly recap, this is the expire action. By default, it's redirect to URL. That's like let's say it's a sales page, timer runs out. We don't want to show the sales page anymore. That's a different thing. This one is we want an element to pop up. So show and hide element. Yeah, hide elements. We can hide this, and then show elements. We can pop this one up. So let's publish. Let's go take a look. Let's do a 2-second run and then see whether the button pops up and the timer leaves as an example. Okay, we are here. 1, 2. The button popped up, right? It was actually so quick. I should have done like 3 or 4 seconds just so you get a reaction. Just you can get to react. So yeah, that's kind of the short version. Again, just to recap, 2 ways. First one is webinar, and Well, I guess the first one was actually the other one. I'm kind of mixing them up. First one was the lead generation one, right? Hosted video. You want to generate leads. We click this one. The other one was with the timer, and the actions was hide elements, show elements. So that's for the let's say there's a webinar, we want an offer to come up in like 20 minutes. So those are the two options. If you have any questions about this, about hiding, showing elements after a certain time, click on here, 24/7 chat support. Let us know. We'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. But yeah, if you don't have any questions, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.